If every time you try to use WhatsApp, it crashes without any reason, in this video I bring you a few solutions to try to solve it. First, you can try to restart your phone. If you do this and it doesn't solve the problem, the second solution is to open Google Play Store and check if your WhatsApp app is updated. You will say update on the blue button. Another solution is to go to your settings, go to the app menu, search for WhatsApp in the app menu, and then scroll down, go to storage, and delete the cache. If this doesn't work, go to Google and type WhatsApp APK. Click on the link that says up to down. In this case is the first one, but you might have to scroll down a bit. And then click on get the latest version. Then click on download anyway and wait until the app is downloaded. And if everything you tried before doesn't work, this last solution will definitely fix the problem. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next time.